Hello, welcome to a Hack a Week little quickie video here shot on the phone. I'm in my shop here at my business Resto Euro, and I've got two 1953 MGTDs in here. That one over there has signal lights in it from the factory. This one does not. This customer wanted signal lights without going too crazy, chopping up the wiring harness, changing out all the light fixtures and everything. Halfway through the year, I guess, they decided to start putting signal lights in them in 1953. Well, I came up with a solution for this one, and it's pretty simple. Super Bright LEDs sells these nice little surface mount style LEDs. They're on a little strip of flexible PCB. It goes back here. There's a resistor in line so that you can hook them right up to 12 volts. And these things are really bright, hence the Super Bright LED thing. And I mounted them right into the light fixtures inside here. They have a little sticky back thing on them, so I just stuck them inside the housing on the fixture and did the same thing on the back on the tail light here. There's a little fixture that holds the light. I just stuck it right to that. I'll show you on the other 53 I got here. This is what was from the factory, this switch right here in the middle of the dash. It's actually got some rubber washers built into the switch. It's a big can up in there. And what it did was it delayed itself a bit to turn off. You can see how it slowly goes back. Well, it used to stay on and then it would do this, and slowly over maybe 10 seconds it would go back to off so that you didn't inadvertently leave it on. This one I can probably tighten up those little friction washers and it'll work a bit better. But this is a fully functional one here. And of course these tail lights have the double filament bulbs in them, whereas this one did not, so we would have had to change out all kinds of stuff. So I got the LED flasher as well from Super Bright LEDs, because you can't use a standard incandescent flasher. It doesn't work the same way. I put a little switch panel here and I put two LEDs on it to indicate that you've got the thing turned on. And we've got nice flashy little lights going on front and rear. And they're bright enough. They'll show up at night. They'll show up really well. And in traffic, people will at least know that you're making a turn. So there you go. There's a little quickie hack done here at the shop. Do stuff like this all the time here at Resto Euro. Till next time.